Hello, Stampers. My name is Linda Bedinger, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Denver, Colorado. And today I'm going to run them 2 weeks in a row, the January paper pumpkin alternatives. And I've already completed the ones for February, so I will have those up very quickly and another card in between. So this is, again, I'm sort of getting back to my routine. And it's a little bit in fits and starts, but we're getting there. So let's just get started. Maybe I need to move. Yep, I need to move. No. Well, Puccini didn't want to be in the beginning of the video. He kept running from me. So now he's decided to come sit in the middle of our process here. So this was the January 2020 Lovely Lavender, and it was really oriented towards Valentine's. But I, as you know, don't necessarily do what they suggest. So I didn't make mine Valentine's, and I think I made 6 cards in the end. I think my buddy's going to have to get evicted here in order for us to be able to do this. So I'm going to try moving him out of the way. Not the best thing if he doesn't feel like it. Anyway, I made a handful of cards, and this is the paper pumpkin. And this is what the paper pumpkin was intended to make. I'm still working on this new scheme of videotaping. And last time you all said it was at too big an angle and that it was too far away. So I think I've corrected that. Let's see, you'll have to tell me what you think of the of this view. This really allows me to see better what I'm doing on camera, and I won't be off camera as much. So I'm hopeful that will help us here. All right. So what the thing is meant to make, what the kit is meant to make, is 2 full-size cards, 1, 2, 3, 4 of each, and 4 tags. And it's just beautiful paper. Let me show you what comes with this. These are the envelopes. There's one with the brown and the polka dots, and this one with this beautiful purple background. And there's this page of tags. Now, I didn't really use any of these tags, but this paper inside here, which goes all the way to the bottom in both cases, these envelopes give you opportunities to make additional cards. And so there's those envelopes. And then next is this page, which the tag comes out of. And then this is the front of another card. Then there is this card front, or this card base, and then this card base. And then there is several pages of these, which have the flowers, and it says love, and there's several pages of that, and there's several pages of this greenery in a kind of gray green here, and then in what appears to me to be garden green. And so there's a lot of material to work with. It also came with these labels. There's several of those. And the one thing that I used, now let me just show you. This is the thing they're putting in that tells you about the stamp set now. So just a little something for you with love, happy Valentine's, and then this spray of leaves. And so the other thing that I used in here was the purple fine shimmer gems. and it comes in 3 shades of purple, a dark purple, a light purple, and kind of a red purple. And I used that, and I used rhinestones to decorate my cards. Okay, let me show you what I did. So the first one I did was I cut out that one page that shows where this piece comes out of, and I trimmed it down so that this side matched this side, and then I just trimmed in the same way the corners that were here. I put a sprig of greenery behind it here, and then put stamped with, and then used one of those love things, and I used a half of one of those cards that has the polka dot. And then on the inside, I stamped a lot of those little green leaves and added some more green leaves on the inside. And that is my card number 1. Then the next one I did was this one, and it says just a little something for you. And then I used this big white piece, and I used some more of that card base from the inside of the envelope, some more of this polka dot paper, and I don't know whether that's card or envelope paper. I couldn't remember, but this came from here, and it's just so busy, so much pattern. Those kinds of prints make me crazy. So I just put a little piece on the bottom. I added some flowers and some twine. And by the way, twine and gorgeous grape was the ink spot this time. And so that one is done this way. And the inside, I put a little bit more of that paper, some of this paper, and a few flowers, a couple of rhinestones, and I think it makes a pretty little card. That is my card number 2. This one was my card number 3. And these that say with love in them like this, this one I put happy birthday on the inside. There is no reason that you couldn't, with love, say thanks or thinking of you or get well quick or whatever. Now this one I stamped across this paper and this paper, which I put across here. And so it left gaps, and I just used my my marker to fill in the places right up against these images here to make it look like it came across the whole thing. Now I could have used that love piece here, but I really wanted it in purple. I could have easily used one of those to come across there. But again, I wanted it in purple. And I used some of those lighter green leaves here. And on the inside, I just used another piece of that paper, did the happy birthday gem, and then a little bit of the polka dot paper. And I think it came out really cute. That one is my card number 3. This one is very simple. I took a piece of that brown paper, and I used my deckled edge die to cut out the inside so it made a frame. And then I tucked flowers and leaves, a little bow, and it says just a little something for you. On the inside, I used this deckled piece, and I cut another deckled piece out of it to make a little frame and add some flowers and a gem. And that way, this could be for a birthday, could be for just about anything that you're giving somebody a little gift for. And so that is my card number 4. This one is my card number 5, and I used the inside of an envelope. I used a piece of this brown, a little strip of this, some flowers, some leaves, stamped right on the DSP, just a little something for you. And then this one on the inside, I used another piece of those leaves and a couple, you end up with quite a few little strips of paper. And so I used some of those little strips to line this one on either side. And that is my card number 5. And the last one is my card number 6. And this one says with love stamped here. And then I use this label like a pocket. And this is a single piece of card. And then the tag here comes out and I put a little bit of twine on it. And on the back, I put 3 little flowers and you could write your message on the back. And I thought that one was pretty cute. And really simple. And I used it, they gave you some tear tape. So I used tear tape around these 3 sides to make this a pocket. And I thought that was a little bit different. And that is my card number 6. So extremely easy, very simple, and I hope you like them. So, and I did use rhinestones, and then I used some of those purple gems that I talked about. Well, celebration is just about done. I think the last day is when I'm filming. And so I hope you got to take good advantage of that when that was going on. And let's see, so the join offer is done now and some other things. I think that glass mat, if you missed that, may come back and be for sale for customers. We'll have to see. And there's some changes coming in Stampin' Up, some of them very exciting for customers. They're going to lower the level for which you get Stampin' rewards. It's going to be a while. It won't be until the 4th quarter till they get all their changes done. But that is a definite change that is coming. Anyway, there we go. That is my project for the day. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel today. I do so appreciate it. And if you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, well, I'd love to be your demonstrator. In any case, I will be back soon with more cards, more projects, and more tips. Bye.